Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be working on a cozy classic, perfect for any holiday gathering. We're gonna be making stuffing. Let's get started. Any good stuffing starts with bread, preferably at least day-old bread. Next, you'll need some chicken stock to help richen it up and add some flavor. Bring in your aromatics, including chopped yellow onions, chopped celery, eggs to help thicken, parsley for some color, and then the classic trifecta of sage, thyme, and rosemary. All in all, put that together with some butter, and you'll have something about like a casserole towards the end. Let's start by getting our bread prepped. First, we're gonna preheat our oven to 250 degrees. Next, we're gonna take this and try and get it dried out by ripping it into small pieces and spread it out into a single layer. So now we're gonna take this, pop it in the oven for about an hour, and really the goal here is just to get the bread nice and dry. Set your stove to medium-low. We're gonna take our butter and we're gonna get that melted up so we can put our onions and our celery in there. The real goal here is just to get them sweating and get some color. It should take about 10 minutes. Once you start to see your onions become translucent and the butter becomes a little brown, go ahead and pull that off because it's time to mix in the bread with your butter and celery mixture. So go ahead and put that mixture in the bowl. So next, it's time to mix this up. And you can really do this a number of ways. You can get a spoon or maybe something like you're gonna toss a salad, but I actually just use my hands. So get the sleeves rolled up and get in there. So we're gonna start by seasoning this, and we're gonna just grab our salt and our pepper. And then we're gonna do our herbs. Man, love that smell. And then it's the chicken stock. We're just gonna do about half of this, and then another mix. So to add a little bit more flavor and to help thicken it up, we're actually gonna go ahead and whisk together our remaining chicken stock and 2 eggs. And then finally, we're gonna take this and just pour it into our remaining mixture. Give that one last toss, just so we're not hanging out with anything at the bottom. And it's more of a gentle fold. And I have my oven preheating already to 350 degrees, so it's time to get this in the pan. So we've got a 9x13 baking dish. We're gonna start by getting this lined up with butter, or if you have cooking spray, that's gonna work just as well. I just grab a stick and kind of line the inside. Once you've got it all buttered up, we're gonna take the mixture and dump it into the dish. So we're gonna put this one in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes. You're gonna wanna tent it with foil to help you get that brown top. Crimp around the edges, and we're good to go. It's been just over 40 minutes and I just pulled this guy out of the oven. Time to see how she looks. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice brown crispy bits on the top. I love the smell of the herbs in this dish because they come through and remind you of your favorite family gathering. What I really love though is putting this next to a turkey dinner or maybe a roast beef dinner, or the absolute best, the next day on an open-faced sandwich. Enjoy this one at your next family gathering, and we'll see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.